An eminent joint replacement and orthopedic surgeon in New Delhi, Dr. Thomas is a proud Zavarian of 1995 batch. He leads the arthroplasty team at the prestigious Max Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi. Dr. Thomas specializes in primary and complex joint replacement of knee, hip, shoulder, and elbow with experience of more than 10,000 joint replacements with excellent results. The finesse in his work is attributed to his long professional association with stalwarts in the field of orthopedic surgery, like Dr. Shekhar Agarwal, Padma Vibhushan Professor Balu Shankaran, and Dr. Matthew Verghese. He has worked in the famous endo clinic at Hamburg, Germany, where he honed his surgical expertise in the art of revision joint replacements and has also introduced the German style of radical debridement and two-stage revision technique for periprosthetic joint infection. He is the recipient of the notable AO Trauma Fellowship in Pelvic and Acetabular Surgery at the AO Trauma Center, University of Saarland Medical School, Hamburg, Germany. He is a co-author of the best-selling books, Primary Knee Arthroplasty and A Beginner's Guide to Total Knee Replacement. Dr. Simon Thomas is a regular teaching faculty at leading national and international orthopedic conferences for training young surgeons. Dr. Simon Thomas is a recognized postgraduate faculty and examiner for the National Board of Examination. Dr. Thomas is a recipient of various awards and recognitions in his field. He received the Delhi Star Award for his excellent services in the field of medicine, the prestigious R.C. Drullan Memorial Gold Medal for the Best Research Paper awarded by the IOA, Indian Orthopedic Association. His consistent endeavor to stay up to date and his compassion for his patients is a part of his journey of service in the field of orthopedics and joint replacements. Sir, we are truly proud of your rich legacy and achievement of passion. Let's put our hands together and welcome Dr. Simon Thomas.
Sir, kindly step forward. I request Father Provincial to present the lapel pin, Lieutenant General Philip Campos to present the stole, and Father Principal to present the trophy to Dr. Simon Thomas. Thank you, sir. Thank you, fathers. I request Dr. Simon Thomas to say a few words.
Respected dignitaries, my fellow Zavarians, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for the honor that you bestowed on me. Before I say anything about the awards, I want to make a small comment about my seniors as well as my doctor colleagues and my medical colleagues who are there. All of you think that we are very boring people, we just talk about medicines. I think we have got great poets here, we've got comedians here, and my wife thinks I'm a big comedian. Thank you so much for having me here, and I think I'm humbled. When I was getting ready in the morning, I was thinking whether actually I deserve this award or not. While addressing you and talking to you, I still don't know whether I actually deserve this award or not. But I have a future, I have tomorrow. With this award, I'll try to make each and every day worth it so that I tell myself I'm worth the award. So the life which is ahead. This day can't go without remembering my parents. Migrant workers from the small state of Kerala, they migrated to Delhi in the late 70s. I think one of the best things they did was to get their son admitted in this big institute. From nobody, they made their son somebody in this big bustling city of Delhi. So I'll always be thankful to them. My in-laws and my wife, who decided to give their daughter to me. In fact, my wife must be wondering, this guy doesn't know where the key of the house is. He's getting a lifetime achievement award here. So she always says that. I can't stop without actually mentioning the legendary Dr. Shekhar Agarwal. He's also a proud Zavarian, one of the first people taught by Mr. Miranda himself. He was a Lifetime Achievement Award winner himself, and I think this goes to him. He reintroduced me to school. He reintroduced me to compassion and how medicine has a social aspect also. And my patients, my teachers, all of you have been so kind to me, I can't state in words. Before I go from here, my final word is to my son. He started his MBBS. I don't stand here because I'm competent. The world is full of competent people. Trust me, you'll find more than competent people. And as Dr. Mohit said, I am here because I am persistent. I am resilient. And resilience is the word to go. And I hope if I have to give a message to you, it is a message of resilience and believing in yourself. Thank you so much for having me here. I'm humbled and I look forward to the future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to invite our next awardee, Dr. Sukrit Silas, onto the stage.